Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to see likes video on TikTok. First step is open the TikTok app. Then go to your profile. Tap on the heart icon. You can see all your liked video. By liked any video, you will also promote creator to post more videos so that their viewers can watch them and enjoy their free time.
There is also a problem with this video, so ask about these comments. Any problem related to social media and internet, let them know in the comments bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press icon for any updates and notifications. Thanks for watching.